Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel, The Meaningful Mission. I'm passionate about helping people live more meaningful lives. On this channel, I'll be sharing tips, stories, and resources on how to find your purpose, make a difference in the world, and live a life that is both fulfilling and impactful. Whether you're looking for inspiration, motivation, or just a little bit of guidance, I hope you'll find something on my channel that helps you on your journey to a more meaningful life. Here are some of the topics I'll be covering: how to find your purpose in life, how to make a difference in the world, how to live a more fulfilling life, how to be more mindful and present, how to overcome challenges and setbacks, how to build strong relationships, how to give back to your community, and much more. I hope you'll join me on this journey, and let us make the world a more meaningful place together. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.